Hello guys, it's Morgan here and welcome back to my channel. So today is the day I will be getting my hair silk pressed. So I haven't had my hair silk pressed or straightened in about a year now. The last time that I did it was last year around this time actually. So I'm looking forward to getting my hair done and getting my hair silk pressed. And this is the first time that I am getting my hair silk pressed at a shop in years. I have not had my hair done at a shop since I lived at home back in Milwaukee, which was like 4 years ago. So yeah, this should be really interesting. I'm super excited because I know it's just going to turn out super cute and it's going to last for a while. I really just want to do something to switch it up for the holidays and to just really see how long my hair has gotten. Yeah, right now I just have my hair up in a poof ball right now. I do have some leftover eco styling in it, but yeah, my hair is kind of looking a mess right now, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's just because, you know, I'm just about to go to the shop, get it done, whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna take y'all with me. I am going to a shop. It's called I think it's called like T. Sheree Studios or something like that, but I will flash up the shop name and everything like that, and yeah, let you guys know all the details about it. But yeah, basically I am about to go into the shop, get my hair done, and yeah, about to turn into a baddie for the day. So before we get into today's video, let's start with the sponsor of today's video. So this video is sponsored by the company DOSSIER. I absolutely love this company so much. They are a perfume company who specializes in making dupes of luxury scents, and they have all of these scents for a super duper affordable price. So definitely guys, make sure to check out their website. They have perfumes, they have men's colognes, and they also just dropped some of their candles as well, which I'm super excited to be testing out for you guys very soon. But the scent that I'm sharing with you guys today is this floral aldehyde scent. So it has some top notes of aldehydes, neroli, bergamot, some middle notes of jasmine and may rose, and then last but not least, some base notes of sandalwood and orris. And it is inspired by Chanel No. 5 Eau de Perfume, and it is a concentration of 12%. Make sure to check out their website, guys, and get some cute little perfumes and scents for your loved ones, or even for yourself with the new year starting off. I personally love using their Ambery Saffron. That is a dupe of the Baccarat scent as well, if you guys didn't know. But this one here smells absolutely amazing as well. It literally smells just like Chanel, so that is a reason why I love it, because you know your girl loves to smell bougie and good. Here is this scent. It smells so fresh, kind of like a powdery fresh scent, and yeah, it is just so amazing. Here is the little cap that it comes in. So yeah guys, this perfume is so amazing, so definitely make sure to check it out guys, and this will be linked in the description box down below for you. So now she is just starting the process of washing my hair. So as you can see, there is steam or whatever coming out of the sink, which I thought was super duper relaxing. It honestly just felt so good. Like, I just love it when other people wash my hair for me, because especially anyone with long natural hair, you know, it can be a hassle. So having someone else do that for you is just so relaxing and so amazing. Yeah, she's just going in and just rinsing my hair, and then now she's just going in with some shampoo and just really getting in there, making sure that she's, you know, thoroughly cleaning my scalp, and you know, just making sure that my hair is super clean and stuff. And this was about like, I think 2 or 3 day old hair. I had just washed my hair about, I think it was like 2 or 3 days prior or whatever. Ever since I moved to Texas, I've been having to wash my hair more frequently, usually around like every 2 to 3 days, whereas back home I could get away with like not washing my hair for about a week. But yeah, I think it's just because I like the heat and like maybe I've been sweating more, but I don't know, I just feel like I've been having to wash my hair a lot more since I've moved. But yeah. Okay guys, so now as you can see, she's just going in and rinsing all of the shampoo out of my hair. Really nothing too much going on here, you know. She's just making sure that she's getting all that shampoo out so that she can move on to the next step. Okay y'all, so now she's just going in with this tea tree oil leave-in moisturizer, and y'all, it felt so freaking good. Like, ooh, I can't even explain. Like, tea tree oil just feels so good on your scalp. It just has that like cooling, tingling sensation. And so yeah, she just went in and applied that to my hair, and it just felt so good and so relaxing. Like, I wish I could get this done every single last day, because baby, it felt so good. But yeah, she's just going in and adding that to my hair, because she did say that my hair felt a little dry, probably due to the box dyes that I use on my hair. So yeah, she just wanted to use this product to add a little bit of moisture in. And then as you can see here, she's just detangling my hair as well, to make sure that every single last strand of hair is getting the product, and just to make sure that my hair is not tangled and stuff. Okay y'all, so now she's just going in and just detangling my hair, just combing it out and everything. I'm about to go sit underneath the dryer with a little bit of this product in my hair still, just so that my hair can just warm up with the product in it, so that it can really penetrate my hair and each strand of hair, and just really, you know, get in there to do its job. So yeah, here she is just combing out the rest of my hair so I can go sit underneath the dryer. Okay guys, so here she is just starting the blow drying process. As you can see, she is working in sections, and she is just doing it the traditional way of just using a brush and the blow dryer, and just, yeah, using it on high heat and blow drying my hair. She's just being super careful, super gentle, things like that. And there is only one product on my hair right now. It's actually one of her products that she has in the shop, so I will flash up a little picture of that product. And then another product called Sugar that she also used during the blow drying and flat ironing process. But yeah, here she is just going in, straightening my hair. Yeah, just using tiny sections and just working her way all the way to the top of my head. And honestly, this was a much needed hair appointment, because baby, the salon talk that we had, yeah, we really just, you know, like, we really had some really good conversations, and it was definitely just much needed to just talk to other women about some things, and just really, you know, talk about life and relationships, and just having mentors and guidance and just things like that. So definitely it was much needed. Whole lot of vibes there. My girl Tiff is definitely a whole vibe, so y'all definitely need to go visit the salon, because baby, it's gorgeous inside. Your hair is going to be slayed, and honestly, it's just a whole freaking vibe. So yeah, here she is just working section by section and flat ironing my hair. Okay guys, so I just made it home from the shop. So here is how the finished look is looking. Sorry I didn't really get very many videos of the finished look in the shop. We were kind of just doing other stuff like pictures, TikTok, stuff like that. But yeah, here is how the final look is. As you can see, it's super bouncy and just super flowy. And yeah, my hair looks super duper healthy. And she did go ahead and give me a little trim and then bump the ends as well. So yeah, here's what we're working with. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really cute, super adorable. And yeah, I'm just really happy and satisfied with it. But yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.